Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. Today we are going to talk about family. As you can see, my whole family is here. I've gotten few comments of people asking me how do they say grandmother or grandfather or dad or mom. So here we go. Grandfather, ntatemogolo. Grandmother, nkuku. Ntatemogolo, nkuku. Father, ntate. Mother, mme. Ntate, mme. When a brother is addressing his sister, he will say khaitsadi, khaitsadi. Likewise, a sister to her brother. Older sibling is nkgonne, nkgonne. Younger sibling is nnake, nnake. Your mom's brother will be malume, and his wife will be mamalume, malume le mamalume. Your dad's sister will be rakgadi, and his husband is still malume. Your dad's younger brother will be rangwane, and your mom's younger sister will be mangwane, mangwane. Your cousin is ntsalake, ntsalake, regardless of their gender. I think we have covered this before. Children is bana, bana. Parents is batsadi, batsadi. Your friend is tsala, tsala. And the whole family is lelapa, lelapa. And here's a fun fact. Lelapa also refers to home, which means your family is your home. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e e tlang. Salang sentle. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.